Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Microsoft account on this PC, open Settings, and go to Accounts to verify. Make sure you have the new email address and can access its inbox for verification. Also, backup sync settings now so nothing unexpected changes. This avoids losing browser profiles or app settings. Once done, open Account. Microsoft.com in your browser to begin the change. This central page handles security and alias management for your account. Next, navigate to your info, then choose Manage how you sign into Microsoft. You'll manage aliases here. Add the new email as an alias, and Microsoft will send a verification link. Open that inbox and click the link so the account accepts the address. After verification, return to the alias list and make the new address your primary alias. This changes which address you use to sign in. Make sure to remove old aliases only after confirming sign-in works with the new address. Finish by signing out of Windows and then signing back in with the new primary email to confirm everything works. This ensures credentials and linked services update. Update any saved credentials under Settings, Accounts, Email, and App Accounts, and reauthorize apps that relied on the old address. If something goes wrong, verify the new email was confirmed, clear browser cache and cookies, and try again. If issues persist, use the Microsoft Account Recovery and Support options to restore access and sync settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.